Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 111. Given a quadratic sequence 2, 3, 10, 23, write down the next term of the sequence. So we have to extend this sequence here. So we're given that this is quadratic. So it means the first differences form a linear pattern and the second differences are constant. So we have 2, 3, 10, 23. Let's do the first differences. 3 minus 2 is 1. 10 minus 3, 7. 23 minus 10, 13. Then 7 minus 1, 6. 13 minus 7, 6. It means here we must say 13 plus 6, isn't it? 13 plus 6, which is 19. Okay, so 19 minus 13 is 6. You see that? And then here we have to say 23 plus 19. 23 plus 19, what is it? 42. Okay, you see that? Then therefore the next term is 42.